Hi, I'm Jasmine Alderson, the spa director here at LUX A Medical Spa, and we are so excited to launch one of our newest offerings at LUX A Medical Spa. It's called GetHairMD. It is a suite of hair health services and products that's going to help anyone with the cosmetic concerns of hair loss. So at LUX A Medical Spa, at our core, we do all of our non-surgical cosmetic procedures. So we don't see surgical patients and we don't see medical patients. The same applies to GetHairMD, where we see cosmetically concerned hair thinning or hair loss patients. If you have medical conditions leading to your hair loss, we're likely going to refer you to May River Dermatology. Some of those conditions may present with some scalp issues or alopecia areata, which is something we are not going to diagnose or see you for. And then when you're ready to be sent back over to us, May River Dermatology will send you back over to us. We also cannot treat patients who have complete baldness. So if you are concerned because your hairline used to be here and now it's back here, we're not going to be able to bring your hair forward. We would refer you to Winnegar Plastic Surgery to have your hair transplant or neograft. But who can we treat? We can treat any cosmetic patient who's concerned with thinning hair due to age, female and male pattern baldness. A lot of patients are seeing hair loss due to postpartum issues. Patients are seeing hair loss because of COVID. Patients are seeing hair loss because of weight loss drugs like GLP-1, semaglutide, Ozempic, those types of drugs. So we are happy to be able to help those patients. So when you come in for a consultation with one of our providers, she's going to help determine which procedure from the GetHairMD line is going to be best for you. We have in-office options, your prescriptions that you'll do at home, and at-home options. So there's lots of different packages to choose from. She's gonna help you choose which one is right for you. So if you have mild to moderate hair loss, you may be on a package with us for about 6 months. If you have severe hair loss, you may be on a package with us for about 12 months. If you are unable to come to the office for your in-office treatments, we have a mobile package, which is super interesting, super cool. You'll hear Dr. Winnegar talk about some of the LED caps that are on the market. Our cap is an LED cap that you wear at home 10 minutes a day for 6 to 12 months, or if you just want to continue on your hair health journey. But with our mobile package, you'll get your LED hat, which has a 3-year warranty. It is 100% money back guaranteed. How do we do that? With your LED helmet, if you are using your helmet over 80% of the time, they will guarantee money back if you are not seeing the results that you are after. They do this through a trackable app that will make sure you're using the cap at least 80% of the time. And a husband and wife can share it. You can have 2 users per hat. So if you're curious about GetHairMD, if you're curious about how we can help, and if you're curious about your hair health and regrowing your hair, check us out online at www.luxhhi.com and schedule your hair restoration consult today.